Hannah Cockroft, known as Hurricane Hannah, has truly redefined wheelchair racing. At the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics, she set an astonishing world record in the 800m T34 with a blistering time of 1 minute and 48.99 seconds. This remarkable achievement is just one highlight in her illustrious career, where she has dominated the sport, holding multiple world records across various distances. Her incredible speed and determination have made her a formidable force on the track, inspiring countless athletes and fans alike. With her relentless pursuit of excellence, Hannah continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in parasport, proving that with passion and hard work, anything can be achieved.